Hey everybody, my name is Ethen Ostroff. I'm a personal injury lawyer outside of the Philadelphia area, and as you may have seen, and hopefully you did see, I'm doing a very long series specifically on auto insurance, things that you should know, things that I hope that you don't ignore, things that you can be prepared with so you're not put in a bad situation without insurance. Something that I'm covering today is very important, very simple, and things that people don't really think about other than, when they absolutely need it, which is when to get and how to get auto insurance. So if you haven't already, make sure to click that subscribe button below. Check out the rest of our videos, which are on in this playlist, specifically auto insurance, but we're going to be releasing a bunch of different areas of the law. This is where we're starting, though. So take a second, click that subscribe button, and follow us along on the journey. When and how to get auto insurance. So you're thinking about getting a new car, you're thinking about getting yourself set up so you're protected. The simplest place to start is Google. Go to Google, and I'm a little paranoid about this, kind of like getting an airline flight. I like to go on incognito because I just don't trust that if I search for something that the price won't go up. So don't take my word for it. I don't have science for it, but I like to go on incognito for this kind of thing. So go search for auto insurance. And there are several different kinds of sites. There's sites that give you quotes from multiple different companies, and there's sites that you go directly to someone like Geico or Allstate, and they'll give you a quote in a second. So the thing that I recommend you think about when you are in the process of getting auto insurance, number one, be aware of how quick they want you to sign up. If you put your email into one of those, multiple website portals, you're going to be getting calls, you're going to be getting emails for months about how quickly and how cheap you can sign up with that specific company. If you get told this is the cheapest on the market, do not believe what they say. I guarantee you the first offer is not the cheapest you will find. Something that you can consider is, I am sure there is a broker local to you. If it's a friend or if it's a family friend, give them a try. They do make a little bit of money off of you. You got to keep that in mind. So they are incentivized to work with certain companies. They may make a bigger cut from, but it's good to get a little bit of a quote from different places. Just make sure if you reach out to a broker that you're telling them, hey, I'm looking elsewhere as well. I'm checking out, I'm doing my own research. Don't sign like an exclusive agreement with them until you know that you're going to work with them. Things to think about when you get your auto insurance. The cheapest isn't always the best. Think about things like, will I need a specific type of insurance like or UIM, and does one company offer me a cheaper rate with the insurance that I need to be protected than the other one does? Yes, of course, cost is a huge and critical part of picking your auto insurance, but it's not the only part. You got to be protected, most important. Again, it's insurance. The goal of it is so that if you are at fault and you get hurt, you got someone that's actually going to stick up for you and maybe not drag it out all the way to trial the way someone like State Farm would. So think about it from a lot of different perspectives. Who is going to be the most reasonable with the party if I do rear end and hurt somebody? How much am I paying and what am I getting? And don't just take the first cheapest quote, because that insurance company might be terrible and you'll be stuck with them for a while. And remember, if you get in a crash and it is your fault, you're going to have a black mark on your insurance record and it's going to be really difficult to switch. So who you pick is really important because you might be stuck with them whether you like it or not. Thanks so much. If you ever have any questions, if you want me to look over your policy, give you some pointers, reach out to me directly below. God forbid you need a personal injury lawyer. That is what I do. I can help you if you are hurt and not at fault in a crash. Even if you think you're not at fault, reach out to me. It's totally free. But remember, hit that subscribe button below and follow us along on this journey. Thanks so much.